Once, replacing a subject from a video was very hard for an average person who doesn't have any experience on video editing. First, you have to record your video in green screen. You have to erase the subject from your main video, and then you have to put the green screen video above your main video. But now you can do this within minutes. You can replace any person from any video with just an image, and it's also totally free. So let's start. First, we will go to Wiggle's website. Then we will click on join the beta option, and then we will accept the Discord invite. It will land us to Wiggle's Discord server. Then from the left side menu, we will select any animation style we like. If you don't have any experience on how to use Wiggle, there is a video in this channel. You can watch that video for more clarity. In the below, in the message box, we will type /mix. Then we will click on enter. Then we will select the first option. Then you will get 4 category in the message box: image, video, background, fine tune. From the image box, upload the image you want to replace in the video. Then in the second video box, upload your video where you want to replace the person. Then from the background, select green. Then from fine tune, keep this one. Then click enter. My video is posting. It will take some time. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes to create this video. To easily find your video, remember your username and your posting time, then add 5 minutes with your posting time, and then search your video in that time zone. For example, my posting time is 11:12, so I will add 5 with this, means 11:17, and then I will search my video in 11:17. If you follow this process, it will be easier for you to find your video. After 5 minutes, my video is ready. In the corner, I will get a download option. From here, I will download this video. Then we will open our original video and then take a screenshot of this video. Then we will go to Adobe Firefly website, and then we will choose generative fill. Then I will upload the screenshot image. Then we will click on select background. This will automatically select our image background. Then we will click on invert selection. This will automatically select our subject. Then from the left side, I will select remove. Then I will click on remove. This will remove our subject from this image. Till you will see some distracting lines around the subject where the subject was placed. So now I will mark this area again, and then again click on remove. And finally, our subject is fully erased from our background. Then we will download this image. Then I will open CapCut software and create a new project on it. In this stage, you need to have some basic idea of editing, and you can use any other editing software. You can also use mobile video editing apps if you understand the concept. Now, firstly, I will import my background image, my green screen video, and my main video in CapCut software. Just select these 3 items and drag this into CapCut. Then I will drag the main video in the timeline. Above this, I will place my background image. Then I will match the image duration with the main video duration, and above that I will drag my green screen video. Then I will keep the green screen video selected, and then from the right side menu, I will click on remove background. Then you can remove the background by using chroma key, or there is a easier option in CapCut. If you scroll down and click on auto remover, this will automatically remove the green screen from the video, and our subject has been replaced with the new subject. And finally, from the top right corner, we will click on export. Then I will give my video a name. Then I will select a folder and export this video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.